A water bottle?
Yeah, I want to get a water bottle.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get one.
Okay.
Yeah, 'cause I want to get one.
Okay, you can get water there. Yeah, don't we go ask how much their water is?
No.
They're not in a water bottle.
Oh,
Let's
cool.
get Let's get it.
Okay. Okay.
Let's tell the guy how much this.
Let's do it. Yes. Cool.
Well, come in. Wait, let me shut it. Can I shut it?
He's shut. Yeah.
I don't see no guy.
You don't see no people, huh?
Now let's see if it's open.
Leah, do you have one cent? Yeah, you do. 1 cent? You don't have a cent?
Can you close it? Mommy, wait. Can you close it?
Yes, baby.
No, go that far.
Okay, babe.
That far.
Okay, babe. That won't go so far.
Close it.
Okay, I got it.
I'm trying to look for the elephant.
Okay. So Mia, get in your chair. Get in your chair.
But I'm still playing.
Okay.
Look at Leah.
Cool.
There's pennies. Can I get one?
No. Callie looks like an alligator. That's scary, huh, guys?
Hi, alligator. Nice to meet you.
Oh, it's getting up, guys. You better be careful, girls.
We love to see new smiling faces and returning ones too.
Are these
Have
free?
a wildly good time while
Are
you're
these
here.
free?
And say hi to all my
If
Rainforest
they are, can I
friends.
get some?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't think they are. Everything, nothing's free.
I'll ask.
Mia, come here, baby.
Is there a person to ask?
Yeah.
Where's the person to ask?
Over there. They have the clothes on, you know, the uniform. Okay, guys, let's go get Cherish. Let's go get Cousin. This way, baby. She's this way. Callie, come on, this way. Oh, there you are.
Hey, you can take photos. Free photos.
You don't have to pay for the rocks? We're gonna go get a rock, guys. Come on.
You get to keep that.
Callie, come on.
After they're done. Let's wait till they're done. Do you have to pay?
Cool, Ben.
Let's buy it.
Okay.
Let's buy this one. Mom, let's buy this one.
Okay, baby.
You know what the person is to ask
I don't, guys. I don't.
you? Those are on sale. Those outfits.
Cool. Callie, say follow my YouTube.
on YouTube.